my dear students, I'm your English teacher Shipra Agarwal, and today in this video I'm going to tell you about multiple choice questions that is related to your first chapter of Honeycomb. 3 questions, and as you all know, your examinations are very near about, so you should start your revision, and this video is very beneficial for your revision. So let's start the revision of the multiple choice questions. The king promised to send to the wounded men. What he promised? His servants, his own doctors, his servant and his own doctors, and none of these. Yes, the right answer is his servants and his own doctor. The question number 2. According to the hermit, the most important time is now, past, future, early morning. According to the hermit is the most important time is now. It means present. Who is the most important person? The person you and are ago, the person you are with at a particular moment, the person you are helping, the person you are loving with. So the right answer is, students, the person you are with at a particular moment. What is the most important time? Once again, but the option is changed here. Present, past, future, all of the above. The right answer is present, otherwise now. Who was the bearded man? The enemy of the king, farmer, magician, saint. That bearded man was enemy of the king. Who wanted to know the answer of 3 questions? A scientist, a teacher, an astronomer, a king. Yes, my dear students, right answer is a king. What were the 3 questions of the king? What were the 3 questions of the king? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing for him to do? Or all of the above? It means all of the above. What did the king do to meet the hermit? Put on ordinary clothes, left his horse with his bodyguard, went on alone, all of the above. All of the above, because king did all the things. How did the king serve the wounded man? Washed and covered his wound with handkerchief, redressed the wound until the bleeding stopped, brought fresh water and gave it to him, and all of the above. King did all the things. So my dear students, the answer is all of the above. Why did the bearded man swear revenge on the king? The king had courted him. The king had put his brother to death. The king had seized his property, or B and C. Student, the answer B and C. This is the correct. It means king had put his brother to the death and also seized his property. The king wanted to know answer to 3 questions too. Avoid success, avoid failure, to be the wisest king, or to be wealthy. The right answer is avoid failure. He wanted to know the answers of those questions. The king promised a large sum of money to anyone who would answer his 1 question, 2 question, 3 questions, 4 questions. The right answer is 3 question, and this is the name of your chapter also. Some wise men advised the king to go to the acrobats, magicians, royal astrologers, none of the above. So the right answer is magicians. Messengers were sent throughout the kingdom to announce a reward for those who could answer the question, look for the wise hermit, fetch wise men, find answer to the question. Remember student, messenger was sent for the announcement. Some wise men said that the king should have a council of ministers, astrologers, wise men, all of the above. The right answer is wise men. The king decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit an astrologer, his minister, his counselor. The king decided to seek advice from a certain hermit who lived in the forest. Why did the king wanted to know answer of three questions? Avoid failure, avoid success, be the wisest king, be wealthy. This is the most important question, my dear students. Avoid failure. Remember it. The king promised a large sum of money to anyone who would answer his one question, two question, three or four. The right answer is three question. Choose the correct spelling. Thought. Thought, Thouadht, Thaught. None of these. The right answer is Thought. Thought मतलब सोचना, विचार करना. Complete this line. He would never fail. Okay, never, always, every day, none of these. The right answer is never. Complete this line. This king therefore sent soldier, horse, messenger, all of the above. Messengers, okay? What was the king promised to give the people who give the answer? Horse, a large sum of money, clothes, all of the above. He promised to give large sum of money. What was the answer of second question? The priest, the doctor, the soldiers, all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. It means to whom should the king listen to? So the right answer is all of the above because different people give different answer. What is the answer of the third question that the people give to him? Science, fighting, religion, worship, which is the most important work for him? Different answers he get. So all of the above. What was the hermit doing when king reached? Watering plants, digging ground, cleaning, eating food. At the time, the hermit was digging ground. What was the hermit doing when king reached digging ground? Here comes someone running who said this line. The hermit, king, bodyguard, priest. The hermit, because at the time the king was digging the ground. What is the meaning of seize? The meaning of seize is took by force, took easily, give something, donate. So the meaning is took by force. Thank you so much, student. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.